Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna talk about how do we charge our car at home. Um, the car, when you purchase it, it does come with the mobile adapter. That is the 110 volt. That means you can plug it in anywhere. And then it only can charge 3 miles per hour. That is very slow, but you can buy the adapter to connect to that 110 volt, and then you can charge it in, you can plug it into to the 220 volt outlet, and then it's charged a lot faster. I think it charges about 30 something miles per hour. But I I normally want to have that mobile charging core inside my car. That is like my emergency um, charging solution. So I don't want to. It's always in here. I never take it out. So that why I need to have another cord at home. So I bought the wall connector. It's not expensive. It's like $400. Right now it's $400. When we purchased it in March, it was $495. And then my husband installed himself. So I'll show you how he installed. Okay. So this is where I park my car normally, and that's the wall connectors all the way in there. We normally don't park my car in the garage because I don't have a space for it yet. Okay, so this is it. That's the wall connector. It looks so nice. You know, touching it just feels so good. And then after you're done charging it, you can just grab, hang it around that, so it looks very nice and clean. And this is the electrical box. So he connected from here to here. So it needs 220 or 240 volt. Something like that. This garage, we don't drive this car a lot, so we tend to keep this car in the garage so we don't have to clean it that much. Okay, and then the Tesla, we drive it every day, so it's dirty all the time anyway. Okay, so that's how. And then the wall connector, it charged way faster than it's charging very fast. Like, so normally it's charged about in a good day it's, I guess it depends on the day too. Sometimes it say 40 miles per hour, but sometimes most of the time it say 38. Most of the time it say 38 miles per hour. So this is how my husband charging it, installed. So he is different in different states, so that you guys might have to check with your state. So he goes on the city, the website of the city, and then he apply for the permit to get that 220 volt permit. So he installed himself, and then so it's cost him less than 150, maybe 110 or something. I don't remember, but less than 150. So, and then he requesting someone come out and check it out. So after he done install it, there's a older gentleman come out to check it and then give him the permit. So it costs less than $150 for the permit, and we bought the wall connector for $495. Right now it's only $400, and so total cost is less than $550. That you have, we have the wall connector. It look professional, looking nice, and charging the car very fast. And then I have my mobile charging cord inside the car always, so I feel safe that in case I'm out of battery, that I can plug it in, you know, in a friend house or wherever I go for on vacation, that I can plug it in. So it's always in the trunk, never take it out. So that is, oh, there's one thing. So that permit, we only can do it as a homeowner. When you sell the house, that permit will be gone. So only the homeowner can get that permit, to let you know. So if you, I don't know, that's however your plan, but we are, you know, we don't know when we're gonna move or anything like that. So we're just gonna install. And then I do have the Model Y in order, Model Y and the Cybertruck in order. So I might buy the Model Y too. You know, I ordered it in March, so it's $4,000 cheaper, $4,000 cheaper than right now. So I might just buy it. If I don't use it, I just resell it, or my husband gonna drive it. My son is 14 right now. Next year when I receive the car, he'll be 15, and then 16 he can drive. So I might just keep it for my son. Yeah, that's the plan. So, and then right now I can't park my car inside the garage yet, but the plans is gonna clear up the second garage. So the BM gonna go to the second garage, the Tesla gonna go to the first garage, and the boat, my husband barely using it, but I don't know why he's keeping it. So he is making a space for the boat. You guys see it? So he's gonna level this up and then park the boat on this side, so I can have a space to drive my Tesla inside the garage. Okay. Oh, if I'm gonna I'm gonna record my husband, you know, his process making the space for me to park my Tesla. I ordered the Tesla and I received it in 1 month. So that is, I did not prepare for it, right? So that's why we don't even have any space to park it yet. So we did not plan for this coming too early. So we're making it happen. We're gonna have a parking spot in the garage for this car. And the wall connector charging, like, you know, almost 40 miles per hour, 38 miles per hour, right? So if in the future if we have the Cybertruck, the Model Y, and then the Tesla, so it's gonna be perfect. One charging, one wall connector charging, so it's fast. So 3 car we can charge it. So each day we're gonna charge, each night we're gonna charge 1 car, so it's gonna be perfect. And I think we're gonna go all electric in the future. We are keeping the BMW because of it's the hybrid. It's the gas, and you know, it's the gas car. So in case I'm just saying that in case we don't have electricity, you know, something like a storm or something happen, we still have a gas car. It's the 4-seat, so it's the 4-seat in the sport car, so it's perfect for our family. So we are planning to go all electric. So I hope that I'll get the Cybertruck. I'm one of the first 250,000 order of the Tesla Cybertruck. I'm so excited about that. I think I'm gonna be one of the first one that get the Cybertruck. So when I have the Cybertruck, I'm gonna let you guys see it. Yeah, can't wait. Okay, guys. I will talk to you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.